So I wanted to share what I'd figured out on my boosted board. I had a little problem where I had stripped the bolt that holds this protective cover, which is just on top of the motor where the belt goes around here. So what happened is I stripped this by mistake, and maybe I used the wrong size or something. And to get it out, I was pretty stuck. I couldn't use the Allen wrench anymore. I couldn't get near those pliers inside of here. So I came up with a different way to do this, and I basically took a drill. I drilled out the top of the head of the bolt, which left me with this piece here. Once I had drilled through it, it fell off. This then came off, and I was left with just the top, or at least the bottom of it, which I was able to just unscrew. Now it's free, and that basically taught me why Boosted always gives you spare bolts.